Okay, so using PEMDAS, we're going to solve 4 basic equations. So the first one we're going to do is 2 over 5 in parentheses exponent of 2 plus 2 over 25. Let's see what that is. So first you would do the exponent, or you would do the parentheses, but technically this is parentheses, we can X that out. Next we go to the exponent. That'll be 3 over 5 twice. We multiply that. That's 9 over 25. So then you have 9 over 25. Bring this down, plus 2 over 25. That's 11 over 25. So that's how you get the first one. Okay, we're going to do 3 more equations. Next we have 5 over 6 times 2 over 3. I'm going to do parentheses for that. Minus, let's do 1 over 3. What does that equal? So first you have the parentheses. You have to do the parentheses first. So let's bring 5 over 6 down and the multiplication down. Multiplication could be a time sign or this dot right here. It could be either one. So you do the math for this. These already have the same denominator, so you don't need to change any of that. 2 minus 1 is 1. You don't need to change that denominator. 1 over 3. So then you have 5 over 6 times 1 over 3. Do the multiplication for that. 5 times 1 is 5. Over 6 times 3 is 18. 5 over 18 for that one. We're going to do 2 more. Now we have 3 over 8 plus 1 over 8. Let's put these in parentheses. Let's divide by 1 over 4. Division can either be this way or it can be this way. We have to do the parentheses first, and they have the same denominator. So 3 plus 1 is 4 over 8. Try to simplify as fast as possible. You know 4 over 8 equals 1/2. 1/2 divided by 1/4. Now, for division, remember either change or flip the sign, flip the line, change the sign on the second one. So we keep 1/2. We do times 4 over 1. That is 4 over 2, which equals 2. 4 over 2, that would be 2 over 2, 2 times. That's 2. Now, we're going to do one more. We're going to go back up so we can see our PEMDAS. We always want to make sure we remember PEMDAS. Now we have a simple one. 7 over 10 minus 2 over 5 times 3 over 4. There are no parentheses in this one, so we don't need to do parentheses first. There are no exponents in this one, so we don't need to do exponents first. Now we go to multiplication. Multiplication will now be first, since it is the next thing in PEMDAS. You can bring 7 over 10 down, and you can bring the minus sign down. 2 over 5 times 3 over 4. 2 times 3 is 6. 5 times 4 is 20. You have 7 over 10 minus 6 over 20 now. Now you don't have the same denominator. You need to get the same denominator. How do you do that? You multiply this 10 by 2. That's going to give you 20. And then you multiply this bottom by the same as the top. So you multiply that by 2. Now you have to multiply that by 2. That gives you 14. This is already 20, so you didn't need to multiply anything for that. So 14 over 20 minus 6 over 20. 14 minus 6 is what? 8. Is that correct? See, sometimes we even need to check ourselves. 8 over 20. Don't forget to simplify this. The best way to simplify this would be by 4, because you can take 4 in here and 4 in here. 8 divided by 4 is 2. 20 divided by 4 is 5. You get 2 over 5. And that is how you solve fractions with ordered operations, fractions, coin toss.